clouds and the airplane may show us in daytime, nighttime. Night is
What happened to?
there is the stars. There is night in the night sky.
So our work.
Does it? Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Salam.
Look at the printed thing as me.
Okay, today we'll revise our chapter 15, which is related to the time clock. So that's how we have to look at the time, how we have to tell the time. So remember that we have learned about this, about a small clock hand and about a big clock hand. Then
Short hand and long hand.
the small one tells us about the minute, hours, and the big one tells us about the hours.
Minutes.
Sorry, big one, the small hand shows the hours and the big one shows minutes. Yes, that lesson we are revising today. Then we'll be doing the worksheet, inshallah. So I'm waiting for rest of the students to join the class. Then what we have to...
Do you like this? So, students.
Sorry, beta. Okay. Good is the why I don't know kids are taking too much time to join the class, because you know when they are joining the class late, they were starting the work late. When we are starting our work late, then they'll not be able to complete our worksheet. Why this work this present? No, again 2 or 3 meetings are started. Why? Why? What happened? Who has started the other meeting? I think they have started another meeting too. End the meeting. Who has started other meeting? Just join the class. Okay. I want to show you one video how to tell the time, and then we'll start the work. So that video will help you to revise your concept, and I hope so it will open.
Grammarly helps make your writing clear and concise. No matter where you are, with Grammarly.
Okay, are you ready?
Hey, I am a clock. I am used to know the time. My flat surface is called my face. The numbers 1 to 12 appear on my face. I have 2 hands just like you. But my one hand is short and the other long. My short hand is also called an hour hand. It shows the hour. A day has 24 hours. So, the hour hand completes 2 rounds in 24 hours. My long hand is also called a minute hand. It shows the minutes. Come, now I will teach you how to read the time. See, my hour hand is on 5 and the minute hand is on 12. This means the time is 5 o'clock. We read it as 5 o'clock. We write it as 5, then colon, and then 0, 0. Let us see the time once again. Now, my hour hand is on 9.
Teacher, I can't hear it.
Why? Have you heard the sound?
Yes, we can hear it. Last time we heard it, now we didn't. Before I heard, but now I can't. Teacher, I can't hear it. Hey,
My short hand shows the hours and the long hand shows the hours. Okay, so minutes. So how to watch the time? You have learned that, and last time also I have taught you in our lesson. Now we are doing the review sheet of this chapter. So you have to first, you have to look at which hand? On the short hand, where the short hand is to tell the time, okay? Because this shows the hours. And then you have to look at the minute hand, which is the long one. Now, if the short hour hand is on 5 and the minute hand is on 12, so what is the time on this clock? Yes, please. Shout
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Yes.
So we
Wonderful.
just revising.
Sorry?
We're just revising.
Yes, now we are revising, and after this oral work, you have to do the written work. Right now, just revise with me. Now, if I ask you to tell 12:30, so where should be the clock hand to show 12:30? Hour hand and minute hand, where they should be?
In 12. Wait.
Okay. Our small hand, the hour hand should be between 12 and 1, and the minute hand should be on 6.
Yeah. Teacher.
12:30. Yes, beta.
Teacher,
Yeah, my dear. What happened?
are you in worksheet or in booklet?
No, this is a worksheet which is shared here. So you have to listen, you have to tell the time. Okay, now, Insha, you have to tell. If I ask you to 9:30, where should be the clock hands? Where should be the short hand and where should be the long hand? 9:30. Think about this.
Okay.
The short hand should be between 9 or 10 because half past. Half an hour past to 9. So after 9, the short hand should be and the long hand should be on. Minute hand should be on 6. Everyone be very careful, okay? When we are, like if I asked you to tell the time 2:30, where should be the hour hand? The short hand. Yes, Insha. Where should be the short hand?
In 2. In
Between 2 and
3.
3. Between 2 and 3. And where should be the minute hand? Minute hand should be on 6. So that we will say that it's 2:30. All right. Now 6 o'clock. Where should be the clock hand? Yes, Shazil.
Which one? Oh yeah. Okay. Which one?
Where should be the clock hand? 6 o'clock.
The long hand or short?
Both.
6 o'clock. Short hand at 6 and long hand at 12.
Yes, wonderful. All right. Now, Amina, tell me the time of D. What should be the clock hand for 8 o'clock? Amina Kashe?
Small hand in 8 and small hand and big hand in 12.
Wonderful. Small hand should be, then our hand should be at 8 and the long hand, minute hand should be at 12. All right. Now, what is the time? Look at this clock. Yes. Hadi is absent today?
3 o'clock.
Okay. Asad?
Still absent.
Asad, what is the time here on this clock?
8 o'clock.
No, here, look at this clock. Is this 8 o'clock?
No, this is 5 o'clock.
Yes, 5 o'clock. Ahmad, what is the time on this clock?
9.
Hamza Ahmad.
9 o'clock.
You have to tell Zunaira
Yes.
what is the time. Hamza, what is the time on this clock?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Okay, Abdullah, what is the time on this clock?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. All right, where is Mareba? Mareba, you here in the class? What is the time on this clock, Mareba?
Teacher.
Yeah.
My bus here. Okay, don't say absent. Okay.
Yes. What is the time on this clock, Mareba?
This 8 o'clock, teacher.
Okay. If you still don't understand, see, we have to look, shorthand should be at the number, what the time is, and the long hand should be at 12 when it is o'clock. When it will be, if I ask you at 8:30, then this hand should be between 8 and 9. And the other hand, minute hand should be on 6, okay? This will move half an hour past and the long hand will come here. So this will 8:30. All right, what is the time on this clock, Zoha?
Now we also have that Zoom thing.
Zoha, what is the time on this clock?
7 o'clock.
Wonderful. All right. What about this clock now? Yes. Now, Amina, what is the time on this?
2.
Wonderful. 2:30. Idris Faisal is present today.
Yep.
Okay. What is the time, beta? Here on this clock, the Idris
Yes.
Faisal. What is the
7
time?
o'clock. Is
6:30.
6:30.
6:30. See, that hand moves, short hand moves from here because half an hour passed. And it's now between 6 and 7, the short hand. And the long hand is on 6 now. So 6:30. All right, what is the time here now? Yes, please. Ibrahim, please. Okay. Ibrahim Fees, what is the time here?
6.
No, not 6. See, the minute hand is on 6 now and the hour hand, which you have to look at first. You have to always look first on this hand. So this is after 9. It means this is 9 o'clock.
6:90. No.
9:30. 9:30. if this will be 10, then this will be after 10, between 10 and 11. Now, if it's between 9 and 10, so you'll say 9:30. What is the time on this clock? 9:30.
9:30.
Okay, if this will 9 o'clock, if this clock shows 9 o'clock, this minute hand will be on 12 and the small hand will be on exactly on 9. Okay.
Okay.
That's why I'm telling every student to listen very carefully. Okay. Now, what is the time, Ibrahim? She's on this clock. Yes, please. First, you have to look at the short hands.
11. Half past
Yeah,
11.
that's great. Past 11. Okay, Mariam Imran is present. Manal Fatma is present. Okay, Manal, what is the time on this clock?
Teacher, I'm here. I'm here.
Okay, what is the time here? Clock.
5 o'clock.
No, look at the clock carefully.
6 o'clock.
How? Is this 6 o'clock? Or I told you that always look at the short hand. So where
Yes.
it is? It is after near 4. After 4. So what time should be? 4:30.
4:30.
4:30. 4:30.
4:30.
No, one time. Either you have to say 4:30, either you have to say 4:30. Because see, 4 o'clock, after 4 o'clock, an hour finish. This shows that. All right, now, where is Ayan? Ayan, what is the time on this clock?
The time is 6:30.
Wonderful. Okay, Zainab. Zainab is absent. Zainab, are you absent or you are here? Manal Fatima? Manal Fatima, beta. Manal is absent today. Let's see. Okay. Now, Shanze, you have to tell what is the time on this clock?
2:30.
2:30. Wonderful. Now, do one thing, everyone. You have to this question and this question on your copy. Open the copy. Write down the worksheet name of worksheet and draw a time to show 6 o'clock and 1 o'clock you have to show. So put something round near you to draw a circle and show the time to 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and there will be one more clock. So we have to finish this. Let's start the written work.
Teacher,
Yes, Becky.
clock बनाए.
Yes, you have to draw the clock and show the clock hand to show that the time 6 o'clock. And other clock, you have to draw the time 8 o'clock.
Today is my birthday, teacher.
Happy birthday to you, sweetheart. How old are you today?
7 years old.
Inshallah. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your day.
Are your teacher saying the classes end?
No, the class is not end. Let's draw the time on these clocks. 6 o'clock or 8 o'clock.
Teacher, can I come from wash only for 1 minute?
Okay, and Mariam, I told you that during the break you have to go to the toilet. Okay, go quickly and come back, okay? What about rest of the children? Hurry up, beta. Let's draw the time to show the clock, to show the time 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock.
And copy. Teacher and copy.
Yes, beta, on copy, or if you have a loose sheet, so you have to do your work on the loose sheet and then you have to fix it in your file. Write the name of the chapter, chapter 12, revision sheet, sorry, 15, review sheet, and then start the work. Write the date on the top of the page.
I'm doing in the copy.
Okay, that's great if you have a copy. Yusuf is present today?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Yusuf, what is the time on this clock? Yusuf, what is the time on this clock?
Yes.
Look at this clock. What is the time here on this clock?
Half past 3.
No, not 3, half past.
Half past 2.
2, yes. And on the next clock? On the next clock? What is the time on this clock?
So can you go a little bit up?
Yes.
Half past 8.
Okay. I'll go a little bit up because just draw a clock, okay? Like this. And then draw clock hands to show the time.
Okay.
Shazil, are you working? Manar, are you working?
I'm done.
Who is done? Shazil?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Just show your work, Shazil.
It's so easy. I'm
Okay.
also done with
Okay.
those questions. Teacher.
Okay. Okay, you have to.
I need to see first question.
Draw one clock to show.
Teacher.
Just a minute.
Look at the question 1.
Yes, you have done this question.
Yeah.
Now draw same clock and show the time 8:30.
Teacher, look at my work. Shazil.
Cheryl, 1 minute, let me check.
Okay.
Where are you? Share your work.
Wait, hold on. Teacher, what do you mean?
Wow, wonderful. My Shazil is doing great job. Now draw one more clock like this and show the time 8:30.
We have to draw half it. I done it. I did both.
One more clock.
See the
You
question
have done
1.
2. Yeah, the third question, what you are doing to show the clock 8:30. Draw clock to show the time 8:30.
Can you? 8:30. Yeah. Okay, teacher, I'll draw 8:30. Teacher, I supposed to. Is this question 1?
8:08, beta. 83 is not a timing clock.
8:30. Okay, teacher, I'm doing it. Wait. Hey, stop it. Stop it. Small hand. Teacher, I written these.
Are you doing?
Teacher, I written these 2.
Okay.
Teacher, I'm
Yes.
done.
Yes,
How
please.
should we do these? All of them. I'm done, teacher.
Okay, that's great. Now what you have to do, you have to take the picture of your work and show.
On one not.
Share it on OneNote.
That is not a hard work, teacher.
Okay. So if you haven't done a lot of practice, you can do this worksheet in the evening at home. Okay.
Teacher, I'm done.
Do more for more practice. You can draw more time. You can write the time of other clocks also. So it's up to you.
Teacher, can you go to the first page?
You are doing the first question, this one. The first question is this, which you are doing right now. And the worksheet is already shared, so you can look at that worksheet later also. Right. How many students have done half past 8 also? The third clock.
Teacher, I'm also done with half past 8.
Okay, can you share your work with me?
Mama, we can make a giant clock.
Zunaira, my dear Zunaira, you are working? My Zunaira always works nicely.
Yes, teacher, I'm working.
Good, good. And here is Mariba. Mariba, you are in class today? See, Mariba, wonderful. She's here. And I don't know, Zainab is not here. Why she's not here? Okay, draw one more clock, Shanze, to show half past 8. You have draw the time, huh? Half past 8 also. Can you move? This picture is not clear. Okay, take the picture, write the date on the top of the page and share it. Okay.
Yeah.
Half past 8 should be like this, beta. See, the small hand should be between 8 and 9, and the long hand should be 6. So be careful. Half past 8, the short hand should be between 8 and 9, and the long hand should be on 6. Then that will show half past 8. Keep this in your mind. Check your work. Have you done? Okay. Children, share your work with me now. Asad, Hamza, Amina, Kashif. If you have done, share your work with me.
Teacher, I can see Shazal light is not working.
Okay. Shazil, switch on the light in your room.
There's sunlight here.
There's sunlight. Yes, he is using sunlight. That's great. Okay. What about Amina? Amina, Hamza, share your work, beta. Then I have to end the meeting. Shanze, she already shared the work. Okay, everyone, don't forget to take the picture and upload on your maths channel. Okay. One.
Teacher, okay. Past 8. Teacher, can you see my work? Oh.
Yes, yes.
Teacher,
Show me work, Asad. All right. Shanze, take the picture and upload it on OneNote. Okay.
okay, I done it.
Okay, I'm ending the meeting. The class time is almost over. If you want to revise it again, you can watch that video also. I have already shared the link on your MS Team. You can watch this video also. All right. Allah Hafiz. See you in next class. That's great. Now you have to take the pictures and share the work. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Get ready.